Welcome to Tracks and Colors. What machine can go in this place? Yellow digger. Dig, 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 dig. Good job. Now, what machine could go in here? It's the green bulldozer. Well done. Now, which truck can we use on a farm? It's the green tractor. Well done, well spotted. Now, which truck will take the rubbish away? It's the blue dumper truck. Good job. Where could the red tow truck be? This is the one. Can you spot the purple concrete mixer? Yay! Great job. Now let's name our trucks again. Purple concrete mixer, red tow truck, green tractor, blue dumper truck, yellow digger, and green bulldozer.